Understanding gradient maps in digital art and design. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in digital art and design: gradient maps. This tool is key for anyone interested in image editing, digital painting, or graphic design. So, let's dive in and understand what a gradient map is and how it's used. A gradient map is a feature found in many image editing software like Photoshop, GIMP, or Procreate. It allows you to map different colors onto an image based on its luminance values. In simpler terms, a gradient map applies a range of colors to an image, from shadows to highlights. This process can transform the mood, atmosphere, and overall look of the image. The key to understanding a gradient map is knowing that it replaces the light and dark parts of an image with specific colors. Imagine a black and white photo. With a gradient map, you can assign a color to all the dark areas and a different color to the light areas. What's fascinating is that it also applies colors to mid-tones based on their luminance, creating a smooth transition between colors. Gradient maps are not just for color transformation, they are incredibly versatile. Graphic designers use them to create unique color themes, while digital artists might use them for lighting effects or to add mood to their artwork. In photo editing, gradient maps can correct colors or add artistic touches to photographs. When using gradient maps, remember: 1. Start with a purpose. Know what mood or effect you want to achieve. 2. Experiment with colors. The beauty of gradient maps lies in experimentation. Try different color combinations. 3. Adjust opacity. Sometimes, subtlety is key. Adjusting the opacity of your gradient map can create more natural effects. I hope this video helps you understand and utilize gradient maps in your creative projects. Remember, the best way to learn is by experimenting and exploring. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.